Hello everyone. Today we're going to unlock a Wi-Fi router, which is the Huawei B612-233 model from the Orange network. A lot of friends have been requesting a video on how to unlock this router for quite some time. So today we're here with proof to show you exactly how it's done. This is a V5 version router. As you can see on the screen, the network status is currently locked, meaning it won't accept a SIM card from another network. And many people were worried that this version couldn't be unlocked. Today we're here to put those worries to rest with a solid proof. We'll be installing the firmware, which might take a little time, so please be patient. As you all know, we provide online services, so if any of you want to unlock this router from the comfort of your home without any hassle or trips to the market, you can contact us. Our contact number is displayed on the screen. Just make sure you have a laptop or computer with an internet connection. Luckily, friends, we've successfully unlocked the router. You can see in the video that the router is now unlocked and currently running a mobile SIM. It can now work on any network you choose. We hope this proof is enough for you. If anyone wants to unlock a similar router, like the Huawei B311V5 version, we can do that online as well. We'll wrap up the video here. Keep us in your prayers. We'll meet again with another Wi-Fi router unlocking tutorial. If you want to stay updated in the world of software, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. We'll keep sharing the latest videos with you. Goodbye.